Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling。And you know what? There's something that we carry on.in our pockets every day, and we don't talk about it enough. 其实有一个东西呢，几乎每一个人呢都天天都会带在口袋里面，应该大家都有吧？
钥匙吗？
哇，你反应真的好快哦！
因为要回家要开门啊。
有可能是钱啊。
我已经快要是你肚子的蛔虫。
真的 ，Alice knows what I want to talk about. That's right, keys. We all have keys in our pockets or purse, right? 这个女生喜欢放在包包，男生就放在口袋，都一定会找得到钥匙。所以今天应该要教跟钥匙有关的一些词汇。
OK， 寿司
啊？什么寿司？要吃寿司啊？
不是啊
，sushi 哦。你饿了吗？这跟钥匙有什么关系？
我没有饿，
还是要沾寿司？
我就是在教你钥匙叫做寿司。
Are you serious? Oh, it sounds like sushi. 好像这个寿司要沾 sauce， 你知道为什么我一直想到吃的 ？OK, that's a key.
那海陆腔手西。
手西哦，这个就比较不会误会到了啊。So a different dialect doesn't sound as much as sushi or sauce. All right, 钥匙会了之后呢，有的时候呢，我们需要钥匙给家人啊，需要打钥匙。
备份吗
？Exactly, we have to make a duplicate key. OK, 要打钥匙怎么说？
大寿司。
感觉好像真的要打它哦，要啪了 key 那样子哦。It sounds like hitting, but actually the term is hitting, but it means duplicating a key. All right, one more term, 我们再教一个。钥匙一定会放在钥匙圈上面。
对，
而且有的时候生日礼物啊、圣诞礼物，
很多人都送钥匙圈，
就喜欢送钥匙圈。It's always a common gift when you can't think of a present. You give the present of a keychain, and we use keychains for our keys too. So 钥匙圈怎么说？
寿司鉗内。
寿司鉗内。All right, that's a keychain. Let's make a sentence out of one of these phrases. 钥匙好了哦，今天忘了带钥匙，忘记带钥匙。I forgot my keys.
今晡日唔記得帶壽司。
今晡日 that means today. 唔記得 that means I forgot. 帶壽司 okay, that means forgot those keys. Let's review these terms associated with the keys. 钥匙寿司 and then 打钥匙 that means making a duplicate of the key.
大壽司
这我也知道了啊。再来钥匙圈 a keychain.
壽司鉗內。
There you have it. That does for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼太假？
俺子say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.